I want to further my education and give myself as many opportunities as I can in the future for jobs and such. And it's encouraging in the sense that I do everything I can in my power to make my parents proud, and as well as be a good role model for my younger siblings. It's encouraging knowing that I'm the first one, since my college experience is going to shape their success, hopefully. And it's a little stress-inducing knowing that in the same regard, if I don't do so well in college, and maybe that might deter them from going to college. But overall, I'm planning on being a pedestal for their college experience to be able to follow their education in the future. As far as obstacles go, entering college, I'd say the main thing I'm struggling with right now is finding a schedule that works for me. I know in high school, it's basically you get a full schedule for your 4 years, and you get professors who are on your case about assignments, studying. And it's not like that in college. It's a great responsibility on yourself. And I'd say right now I just have to find a better schedule that fits my productivity and will allow me to have more success. As far as help from the school, joining the Student Ambassador program was a great help. I got to meet a lot of faculty members, great coaches that have already been a part of the program with all their knowledge that they provided for me. It's been a great help, better jumping into college, getting a better feel for things with their help. If I had any advice to give to students or future students who are trying to pursue and further their education, I'd have to tell them to not be scared. I know everything is overwhelming. I've been there. There's plenty of people that can help you and will be there for you if you actually decide to jump the gun and be a part of the school.